guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyoti Rolla and I am going for a road trip to Shirdi with my sister. It is my first time. It is actually my first time to a Shirdi. I don't even remember when I went last. So let's go. It's almost 11:30.
If it is your first time, how can you remember your last? What time then?
It is my like a first time only. It's a really long time. I don't even remember when. So we are just going to a Shirdi and I'll get back to you how we are going. We did our online darshan for a 9 o'clock. So we are trying to reach by 2:30 or sorry, not 2:30 is possible.
5.
I guess so, around
yeah.
4:30 or something like that, so that we can get into some normal lodging boarding stuff and we can just change and get fresh and keep our bags and whatever the things over there and do the darshan, come back and take a little bit rest and go straight to home. That's the thing. Let's see how it. See you there in Shirdi, or maybe I'll update you in 15 if I get Starbucks.
8 hours later.
Good morning, guys. It's like we left home by 11 o'clock and 11:30 or something we left and we reached here by 4 o'clock somewhat 4, and then we got a place nearby the temple. It's like 1 kilometer distance from the temple, so we are staying here. We stayed there last night. Sorry, I'm saying stayed there. I'm like, we stayed here last night like for a few hours, like 4-5 hours, 3-4 hours, and now we just woke up. It's quite late for us to visit the temple. I'm really sleepy. You can see my eyes are really sleepy. We are just going to the temple now, and it would be my visit after a really long time. As if I told you, I don't even remember when I was here last. Hope I'm in the frame. I don't even remember when I was here last. So I'm wearing a kurta from my birthday. My brother got me this kurta. So and I'm wearing this shawl which I got it from Kutch when I was there. My face looks so bloated now. Anyways, this is me without makeup for some time. I wanted to be very neutral. I put a lot of moisturizer before leaving that place, and now we are just gonna do the darshan thing and we'll have a breakfast and then we'll leave for home. That's it. Hi guys, I just done with the darshan. It was great. We had a time of 9 o'clock and it was done in 30 minutes, but to come outside it took around 30-40 minutes more. So we were in the car by 10:30 and now we are on way back home. And I'm gonna change my outfit before reaching. I'm feeling so tired. I want to really wash my face and all. It was really beautiful. Due to COVID, we were not supposed to take any flowers or any single thing inside. So I didn't even take my phone, as if you guys know this thing. The phones are not allowed inside. Not allowed to take the phones in anything inside, and every person was wearing a mask. And we were on like online darshan thing, so it was a little quick for us to go and come out. But there are an option. Those who people didn't registered online, they can go over there and get the darshan ticket for the VIP, which was very nice. I liked it how they were maintained, clean, and even the queues were not much crowded at this time. Like today is 26th January, so it was like on point, you can say. So it was pretty good. I really had a good time in Shirdi. It was very awesome. I'm blessed that I was here today, and now I'm just going back home, and that's it, I guess. So thank you for watching my video and hope you guys like everything. Please do follow and subscribe. Bye bye.